Welcome to the Rainer Minute with Hawaii's garage door professionals. Rainer Hawaii has been serving Hawaii's homeowners for over 30 years.
Aloha, I'm Rod, a technician at Rainer Hawaii. Let's check out your garage door. Most security keypads are wireless and battery operated. When you enter your 4-digit code and firmly push the enter button, the keypad will send a signal to your system to open or close your garage door. If the door closes and it reverses back to the open position, it may be because of an obstruction of the safety sensor eye beam, or the sensors themselves need to be cleaned, adjusted, or replaced. This is a normal safety feature of your garage door system. However, you can override this by pushing and holding down the main button on the interior wall control to close the door. It will automatically stop when it reaches the floor. The battery in your keypad can last 1 to 5 years. When it's time to replace your keypad battery, you will need to unscrew or slide down the cover on the bottom of the keypad, as shown here. You will normally find a battery inside which you can replace. The expected life of a keypad is from 2 to 5 years depending on its placement, and up to 10 years with light use in a protected location. The keypad is replaceable and reprogrammable without replacing your garage system. Should you have a situation that requires you to change your keypad security code, or it has been a while since you last changed it, we would suggest you have it done during a normal maintenance call with Rainer Hawaii. Our technician will work with you to ensure you get the keypad code you want.
Thank you, Ron. And thank you for watching. Feel free to call Rainer at 676-3667 to schedule your full maintenance and safety check or for more tips.